Want to sell globally and avoid currency confusion for your international customers? Let's dive into how to effortlessly change your Ecwid store's currency settings. First, log into your Ecwid admin panel on the left-hand side menu. Navigate to and click on Settings. Under the Settings menu, find and click on General. This is where you'll find your store's basic information and settings. Next, locate and click on Regional Settings. This section controls how your store displays dates, times, and most importantly, currencies. You'll see a currency drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal a list of available currencies. Select the default currency you want your store to use. This is the primary currency for your product prices. To handle currency conversions, make sure the automatically update exchange rates toggle is enabled. This ensures your prices are displayed accurately in different currencies based on current exchange rates. To add additional currencies for display, click on Add Currencies. Select the currencies that you need. Now your customers from around the world can see the local currency. See, changing your Ecwid store's currency settings is simple. Now you're equipped to sell globally and provide a seamless shopping experience for all your customers. Don't forget to subscribe for more Ecwid tips and tricks.